Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what the big deal is about Burt's Bees lip balm? It seems like everyone has one of these little yellow tubes in their pocket, their car, or their bag. Well, today we're diving into why this is hands down one of the best lip balms on the planet. This isn't just any lip balm. It's the original beeswax formula that started it all. What makes it so special? First, it's packed with responsibly sourced beeswax, antioxidant-rich vitamin E, and nourishing oils. This dream team works together to seriously moisturize and condition your lips, leaving them feeling happy and healthy. And can we talk about that signature tingle? That refreshing kick comes from a hint of peppermint oil. It's not just a flavor, it's an experience that makes you want to reapply it all day long. Plus, it's 100% natural origin with no parabens, phthalatum. It's just pure, clean goodness for your lips. Whether you're buying a 4-pack to stash everywhere like I do, or sharing them with friends, it's a little tube of happiness. Thanks for watching. If you love simple, effective skincare, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. See you next time.